Hello, I'm here in Malé. This is the capital city of the Maldives. The Maldives is a small island nation in the Indian Ocean, and Malé is one of the world's smallest capital city. The area of Malé is only about 6 square kilometers, but more than 150,000 people live here. So it's a very compact capital city. And I'm here for 3 days, and my intention is to explore Malé more in depth, maybe more than most people do, because most of the people, they come to the Maldives to go to one of the luxury islands around the ocean here. This is the main shopping street here in the Malé Island. It is called Villingili, and it runs from the eastern side to the western side of the Malé Island. Today is Friday, so the people here goes to the mosque because Maldives people are Muslims. So most of the shops here are closed today, and I just have to come back tomorrow to check out the shops here in the main street of Malé. This is a fishing pier where the locals are fishing for big fish maybe, or maybe manta rays, who knows. But nevertheless, the people here look so happy to be here and close to the water, and the weather is very nice. I would be happy too, I think, if I live like this, close to the water and with this wonderful weather. It is amazing. The water here is so clear. Well, I have to say it one more time. It is so clear that you can see the exotic saltwater fish within the area of the capital city. Look at that. It's around 5 meters deep at the harbor here on the northern shore, and you can see everything in the water. So this is the Republic Square. It is the center of the Maldives, and around here there are several jetties where you can take the boat to different islands in the Maldives, and all the jetties have numbers, and the number 1 jetty belongs to the president, and it is this one is the nicest one, of course, the number 1 jetty. And next to the Republic Square is this impressive Grand Friday Mosque. It is the biggest mosque here in the Maldives, and it was completed in 1984. This mosque with a golden dome, it is so big that 5,000 people can fit inside it. And just a stone's throw away from the Grand Friday Mosque is this very interesting mosque. It is called the Old Friday Mosque, and it was built in the year 1658. So it's over 360 years old. And the structure of it is very interesting, as you can see here. It is built with coral stones. So this is the Malé Island. It has been a very interesting tour around this tiny island. I have never thought that so many people could fit into this island. Everything is crammed into the tiny 6 square kilometers, and the old is blending with new, like this mosque here with the tall building. And by the way, this is the very first traffic light that I see on this island. So I think let's do some island hopping. We are, after all, on the Maldives. I'm at the harbor in the southwestern end of the island, the Malé Island, and this is the ferry to the small nearby island of Villingili, and that's where I'm heading. So this is Villingili Island, or Villingili as it is also called. And it is just a short ferry ride, 5 minutes from the Malé Island. It is situated only 2 kilometers away, west from the Malé Island. And as soon as I got off the boat, I could feel in an instant that it is a much more relaxed island. In the parks they are having hammocks instead of benches. And I saw people lying around, relaxing, sleeping, just let the time go by without any worries at all. If I think that the water around Malé Island is crystal clear, then it is possibly even more crystal clear, a sapphire clear you can say, around the Villingili Island. I mean, just look at the turquoise colored water that is so clear that I just want to take off my clothes and just jump into it. So that was the walking tour of the Malé Island. It was really nice to explore the tiny island. I could walk around in just 1.5 hours, and then I took the ferry out here to the Villingili Island, a smaller island just 5 minutes away by boat. And the feeling here is much more relaxed, and this could easily be any other luxury island scattering around the Maldives, but it's much more reachable here. And what I've learned so far is that you don't have to pay a premium to go to one of the remote resorts here in the Maldives to have a nice holiday. You could as well stay in the Malé Island and take the boat over to this Villingili Island to enjoy crystal clear water, turquoise color, and great weather. Anyway, I'm after all in the Maldives, so I have to try the water. I'm going to swim now in the warm Indian Ocean. So see you later. Bye bye.